Take a walk with me inside 1407. I've got some awesome things to show you in here. We're a little bit late this morning, so we apologize for that delay. 1407, the next really exciting quad slide from Marathon. The reason I say exciting is this coach, as you guys know if you've been watching the show over the last couple of months, is a full bunk coach with 2 full baths. And you can see back there we're working on the rear bath. Bunks on your left or on your curbside. Full water closet with shower on the driver's side, and full water closet with another shower in the rear of the coach. This is going to be an exciting floor plan, and it's really a pretty outside too. So if you haven't seen the exterior on that coach, one of the things that's really unique about this floor plan is the dinette is going to be right there, you guys, in the slide out. We're going to walk down and see that dinette in just a second. But the dinette is right behind the driver cabinet, which is what you see right there. Washer dryer right there next to some storage. And then your Fisher Paykel right there. It's going to have a sofa there. Your galley is where I'm standing. But this is a really unique floor plan. And this is the power of Marathon, you guys. This is what Marathon does. Somebody comes to us and says, hey, I want 2 full baths and a bunk, double bunks in a coach, which is going to be right here. And that's what we do. I like this wall covering too. Get a little bit of shot of that texture. Let's walk outside. I want to show you, here's a good shot of the production floor right now at the mothership, affectionately known as the mothership. We call it that because we've got Florida, Texas, and all the coaches are made by Oregonians here in Coburg, Oregon. Take a look. Here's the slide out. So as I mentioned up in the coach, this is the facing dinette, or what some refer to as a booth dinette. And it's an expanding dinette, as you can see right there. And there's the galley getting worked on right there. And in a couple of weeks, I believe, or less, this slide out is going to be reinstalled right up here where the scaffolding is. The first Marathon with 2 full baths and bunks. Isn't that sweet? This is really going to be an awesome floor plan, you guys. Very cool. So anyway, like I was saying, apologize for all of the technical difficulties, but we can walk the floor here since we've got time. I've been battling some allergies, you guys. I'm headed down to the desert. We've got a year-end party at Outdoor Resorts Indio coming up. So that will be really a fun event. There's a coach fresh out of paint, getting worked on over there. Got a couple of X3s on that side. $14.08, a double slide in production. All right, we got 17 people watching right now, so stay with me. I want to show you a beautiful paint job. We're going to head over to service busy Monday morning in service. Don't forget to make your appointments, Florida, Texas, or Oregon. If you are headed from an RV resort or whether you're traveling and you need to get in for service, make that phone call. But I wanted to show you this paint job. Look at this. Isn't that sweet? I see Dawn working on an awning right there. Isn't that something? This is Coach 1361. Look at those colors pop. Hey! Nice.
Well, it should have been Saturday too.
Isn't that a beautiful paint job? 1361 down in service. But like I was saying, don't forget to make your appointment for the service departments, whether you're going into Florida, Texas, or Oregon. Things are going to start to heat up in our service departments, and that's because the seasons are coming to an end. And you can see how much work is happening right here with all of these right here, all of these shots right here. Don't forget to make those appointments. And if you're looking to get into a coach, reach out to me, Malw, M-A-L-W, at marathoncoach.com. I can help you get into a pre-owned or a new marathon. We've got them. And make those appointments, like I said, for service because it's heating up. All right, be yourself and do good things. Take care, everybody. See ya.